SSD upgrade and deep cleaning on Dell Inspiron P24T001 laptop. Thank you to Ma'am Haiti for trusting our service. In her upgrade, we will be using Apacer 512GB 2.5 SSD, along with a deep cleaning or thermal repasting request. The Dell Inspiron P24T001, part of the Dell Inspiron 3000 Series 2-in-1 laptops, is a small and compact device. It features an 11.6-inch display, making it highly portable and easy to carry. As a 2-in-1 device, it can function both as a laptop and a tablet, adding to its versatility. The Dell Inspiron P24T001 does not have heatsink fans because it utilizes low-power components and an efficient design that allow for passive cooling. Upgrading to an SSD is a very good move, especially when done by a professional repair shop. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs, leading to quicker boot times, faster application loading, and overall improved system responsiveness. They are more reliable due to having no moving parts, which reduces the risk of mechanical failure. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.